How to use Moomoo Cash Coupon. To redeem a Moomoo Cash coupon and have the reward credited to your brokerage account, follow these steps. Moomoo Cash coupons are promotional rewards offered through events or campaigns. When redeemed, they provide a cash credit to your brokerage account. Now, how do you redeem a Moomoo Cash coupon? Open up the Moomoo app, as I have done here, and tap on the Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap Coupons in the top. Browse through your available cash coupon and tap on a coupon you wish to use and follow the on-screen instructions to redeem it. After redemption, the cash reward will be credited to your brokerage account within 3 trading days. There are some important notes that you need to know. You must have an active brokerage account with Moomoo to redeem cash coupons. Each cash coupon can only be used once. Only one cash coupon may be used at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.